up, everybody? It's your boy Joe Robinson. I'm a man sports athlete, open super heavyweight bodybuilder on a national level.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Ahmad, man sports athlete, heavyweight open level bodybuilder, national ranked.
Today we're going to do something a little different today. We're going to show you how we bring up our weak parts on our arms. So today I'm going to show you how I go about bringing up my triceps, because triceps have been one of the things that I needed to work on for a period of time now. And Ahmad is going to show you how to bring up your biceps.
Yeah, my biceps has been lagging for a while now, and I'm trying to bring them up, trying to get a match with my triceps and everywhere else. So we're being Joe over here, gonna superset some different workouts and trying to make these gains. All right, first thing, we'll start off with some easy bar curls, and we're gonna do 4 sets, 15, 15, 12, 12. Keep going up weight each set and tax those biceps, get them to grow.
We're gonna superset that with rope, cable, tricep push downs. And we're gonna start off with 2 warm-up sets. You might need more warm-up sets, but right now just 2 warm-up sets is good enough for me. Then we're gonna go into 2 all-out to failure sets. So you can't really see it in the video, but these 2 sets need to be all out to failure. It even go past failure sometimes to really burn and get those muscle fibers firing.
Next workout we're gonna do for biceps is hammer curls, isolation, 1 arm at a time, 12, 12, 10, 10. Keep going up weight each set and force those biceps to get stronger.
All right, we're gonna superset that with incline skull crushers and with close grip presses. So we're gonna do 20 reps each. So you're gonna start with 20 skull crushers and then go right into 20 close grip presses.
Third exercise for biceps, we're gonna do isolation preacher curls, 4 sets, 10 reps. Keep going up weight each set and focus on that peak.
All right, we're gonna superset that with single arm overhead cable extension. And once again, at this point you should be warmed up, so you don't need any more warm-up sets. So use 2 sets all out to failure. And you'll notice a trend here, the way I train arms and other body parts. Everything's gotta be to failure. And you're only doing 2 sets. So you know you only got 2 sets to go, so you gotta give everything you got.
For our 4th bicep workout, we're gonna do rope curls, 4 sets of 15. Keep going up weight each set and focus on the outer part of the bicep and getting that to grow up.
After that, we're gonna superset with close grip tricep reverse push downs. And you'll see in the video I use the close grip pulley bar. And we're gonna do 2 sets to failure, 20 reps. Again with that, by now your triceps should be full blown. Blood should be pumping, you should be good to go. Juices should be flowing really good right now. You should have a good sweat, you should be growing.
For our last bicep workout, this right here is a killer. To end with, we're gonna do 21 up, which you do 7 reps halfway with the bottom, 7 reps halfway at the top, and then the full 7 reps for the curl. And you can do 4 sets of that, and after that, your biceps are done. Crazy pump, and that's all she wrote.
We're gonna superset that with tricep press downs on the dip machine. And once again, it's the 2 all-out sets. And on this particular exercise, since it's the finisher, every rep I want you to do a half-second pause at the bottom. Really squeeze, over-exaggerate the squeeze at the bottom of the movement. 20 reps, 2 sets, all out. All right, guys, so that's the end of the workout. By 9, you should have a blistering pump between game day, pre-workout, and vessel jet. Your arms should be exploding right now. Veins should be popping. So only thing left to do right now is you train the muscle. Now it's time to go put some nutrition in and go eat. So with that being said, leave comments below. Let us know what you think of the workout. If you have any suggestions about any other exercises, I want to see what you think. Put it down below. Thanks for watching, and we see you next time.